Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a Playing With Me in My Pocket Rings, and we are ready for the week of April 17th through April 23rd. The 17th I do believe is Easter, and so I am using this kit this week. It's Hoppy Easter, and this kit is by Jolly Sticks. So here is this super cute kit. I love the gingham and the colors in this kit. It has the soft pastels, but then it has the deep turquoise. And then I've just chosen some turquoise washi, and I believe this is from Lisa Loren Plans. I'm just gonna lay down a little bit of washi. For those of you that don't know, this week I will be having surgery. I'm having knee replacement surgery on the 21st. I don't know what time or anything like that, but I just know that it's going to be on the 21st. And so I guess they said that it could possibly be the night before that I'll find out what time my surgery is. It just goes that way in California. I guess they don't make a lot of plans. I'm just glad to be getting it done. I don't know how I'll be after surgery. I know I'll be in pain. I will be overnight in the hospital to get my pain under control. So I know I'll be in there for one night, but I'm hoping to still be able to do videos, just because, you know, I can sit at my desk and hopefully do them. Maybe not, I don't know. And I know I'll have physical therapy, probably starting right away. Speaking of which, I forgot to call the physical therapist back today. I gotta do that tomorrow. Make myself a note. They like to get your physical therapy all set up before you even have surgery, so I'm fine with that. I'm a planner, so you know that I'm all about. I hope I didn't just cover up that number, which I did. I try to alternate where I put my sticky numbers, because otherwise it makes your planner too bulky if you put it in the same spot all the time. So I put some at the top, I put some at the bottom, and then I forget. The 23rd, which is Saturday. And that's pretty much basically all of the washi that I use. I only have 2 appointments this week. Except, no, 3, possibly 3. But let's put down some of these stickers. Let's use Have a Crackin' Easter and the Easter basket. Let's see if we can use these both on Sunday. It doesn't look crooked, I don't guess. But I need cover up some of that basket. There we go. Have a Kraken Easter. So that's, oh, I better put down the days of the week or I will not know what I'm even doing. If you haven't ever ordered from Jolly Sticks, you should go check out her shop. She is on Instagram, and she has some really cute kits. She has a subscription box, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, she's having a sale right now. So check out her Instagram. She is Jolly Sticks on Instagram. It's Wednesday. And you can also get on her email list, and she will send you updates about all of her sales and her exclusive boxes that come out. Like, I have already ordered my Advent box from her for this the 2022 year, and I'm super glad that I've already done that. Let's see, on Saturday we will use the weekend banner. We won't be doing much because we'll be recovering. Tuesday, Sunday. Okay, let's get back to doing the picture boxes. It's kind of hot here in California. I turned the air conditioner off when I film, just so that it's not so loud. We have a window unit, and so I turn it off when I film. But it's been about 75 here in California. Thursday it's supposed to be 91. So yeah, it's already starting to get toasty here. So there's all my picture boxes. And then, let's see, I have these boxes. I have these little doilies. The boxes down here. Sunday, I need a church one. I'll put that right here. And then I need trash and planning there. And then Monday, I want to change out my wax melts. I'm not really supposed to have to do it until the 21st, but I'm having surgery on the 21st, so let's put this to change our wax melts. Put it up here. And then I have Erica. Oh, I hate to use up all my doilies. Let's use one of these. And then I also need one for Greg's work. And then Tuesday, I have a subscription that comes out there. And one of these little flags. Let's put it down at the bottom. And then I have Erica coming. So that is Tuesday. And then Wednesday we have a small group. Put that here. Wednesday. Thursday will be surgery. And I imagine that's all I'll do that day. So that sheet is all done. Let's put one of these flags up here so we can, when they finally tell me what time I have to be at the hospital, I can write it down. I'm supposed to have a small group on Thursday, but I will miss that. And then Friday I should get released from the hospital. Saturday, I really don't have anything. So it's very basic this week, except I don't think I put all of Erica's down. One of those is Erica. I need another one for Wednesday. There for Erica. And then, let's see, I need this garbage for trash night, and I need let's see, this is for Erica, and then this one for Erica. This one, she doesn't iron for us, but she would if we asked. And then I always go through and I cut these numbers out and I just store them with my journal for when I need numbers. So I put those up there. So I have a lot of this kit left. All these trackers will probably go into the extras to be given away, which I'm going to do a giveaway soon. I will keep all those. Of course, I'm going to keep my functionals. Wednesday we have small group, so let's put this little, and we'll put the time up there for that. Friday we'll put that time, or Thursday. Okay, I think that's my little bit of planning I have for this week. It just consists of wrapping everything up and just getting prepared. So here is Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and then Saturday. And super cute, even though this week's spread is kind of simple. It's a super cute kit. So that is my plan with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And oh, one thing I forgot. Let's see. Happy Easter. We can put that. Have a crackin' Easter. Where do we want to put this? Put it up at the top. Happy Easter. And then, yeah. Okay. Earth Day, I think it's the 22nd. So that would be here. Let's put Earth Day down. We'll use one of our little scallops there. And put Earth Day there. So that is my, oh, I just found a script that I can use. Planning. Can go here. And work. I need for Greg on Monday. We'll put it right over this bow. Okay, now that's my plan with me. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified of when I upload new content. And I will be back soon. Hopefully the surgery doesn't take me out for too long, but I'll keep you posted. I'll do a video somehow, even if it's from my recliner, and keep you updated. So everyone have a wonderful week, and I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.